Righto, it's day one of the build. It's Good Friday. We've been up since early hours this morning. The young bloke's under there. I'll give him the task to get that old diff, leaf spring and shocks out. And then we're going to fit the 9-inch. We're going to reverse leaf it, new shockies, and reverse leaf it, then put the 9-inch in. I've got my mate who's an electrician here today. If you want a bit of what you're going to check it out for wiring. Fuel cell, it's going to go in it. Fuel pump. How you going under there, Nash?
Good, mate.
Good?
Yeah.
Yep. Killing it?
Yep.
Righto. We'll check back with you later. Well, that diff fought us till the end. She been in there a while, hey, mate?
Yeah, mate.
She didn't want to come out easy. A few head spins there. Worked up a bit of a sweat. But she's out. We're going to reset the springs, rebush it, and get the 9-inch in there next. Oh yeah, we were going to start her up, but she seized. The old girl seized. Pretty sad moment, wasn't it there, Nash? Hey?
Could have got it going.
Yeah, we tried to get her going, but she's put a bit of petrol down there and a battery to it, but she's seized up now. It could be seized from sitting. I hit the starter motor. It could be seized from sitting, or it could have seized, then that's why it's been sitting for how long, mate?
Since 2005.
2005. She's a gem. Gem engines. They're still going these days too. Be sure to like and subscribe for more HG Holden fun. Coming soon.